Hello friends, welcome back to MDCZ. Today in this video, I am going to share details about few MCU updates. Before we start our video, if you are new to MDCZ then hit the subscribe button right now and also press the bell icon if you don't want to miss the latest updates and excellent news about Marvel and DC universes. So without wasting your time, let's start this. Harry Styles is going to be a part of MCU, but in which movie we don't know that yet. According to the report, he already filmed his part for the MCU movie. So as we all know, there are only two projects that are completely done with the filming: Black Widow and the Eternals. We all know the castings for Black Widow, but there are a few castings from Eternals movie that were not announced yet. So it's most likely going to be a part of Eternals movie. I don't have any information about his role in the Eternals movie right now, but there is a rumor that he is going to play Thanos' brother in MCU. This is just a rumor. I'll inform you as soon as I get the information and confirmation about his role. Now, let's talk about the WandaVision series. This news is directly coming from Disney Plus, so it's confirmed report, not some kind of rumor. WandaVision was supposed to be released in 2020, but MCU postponed lots of their projects because of this COVID-19 outbreak. Recently in the interview, Disney Plus announced that the WandaVision series is still scheduled to arrive in 2020. Yeah guys, that's a piece of good news. And we also got its trailer now, but they didn't show the release date info. Let me tell you guys, all these projects are connected with each other, so that's why so many exciting things we are going to see in the future of MCU movies. So, most likely, WandaVision may be gonna drop in December 2020. Just a tip, it's going to be based on multiple realities. Soon I'll upload the proper breakdown for this. Now let's talk about She-Hulk. Most of you might know about this already. We finally got the news about She-Hulk casting. Tatiana Maslany is going to play She-Hulk in the MCU's upcoming She-Hulk series. Kat Coiro is the director of this series. In the series, a character named Jennifer Walters got a Hulk abilities and later she is known as the She-Hulk. In this series, there are going to be 6 episodes in the first season. The production of this series will begin in February 2021. As soon as I get more information about it, I'll share it with you guys. So hit the subscribe button so you don't miss that. Now, let's talk about the Falcon and Winter Soldier series. We all know that MCU postponed the release of Falcon and Winter Soldier. Filming was also stopped due to the COVID-19 pandemic, but finally we have received some news about MCU's upcoming few projects. Disney has already announced that the release of WandaVision is still in 2020, so the release of Falcon and the Winter Soldier is pushed to 2021. The production of Falcon and the Winter Soldier is started again last week. Filming of this series is not done yet, so that's why this release is pushed to 2021. It was supposed to come out in October 2020, but now there is a 4 to 5 month delay in the series release because of the COVID-19. I think filming will be wrapped up before December 2020. As soon as I get more information about it, I'll share it with you. Let's talk about the news related to Ant-Man and the Wasp 3 movie. This report comes from Deadline. According to Deadline report, Jonathan Majors is cast for a significant role in Ant-Man and the Wasp 3 movie. He is gonna play Kang the Conqueror. Most of you may know about the Kang. He is kind of a master of time travel. As we all know, all Avengers did time travel in Avengers Endgame through Quantum Realm. And when you heard Quantum Realm, the first name came in most of our minds is Ant-Man. They might also introduce Quantum City in this movie. Ant-Man and the Wasp 3 is set to release in 2022. I think this movie is going to be a lot bigger than anyone ever thought. The movie is right now in pre-production. I'm gonna share more details about the Kang, so hit the subscribe button right now if you don't wanna miss that. Now, let's talk about Loki series. As we all know, the production of the Loki series has been stopped due to COVID-19. Most of us thought that the release of Loki is gonna postpone. But the Loki series production is finally back on track and the release is still scheduled as before in the spring of 2021, means in March to May 2021. And if this stays as it is, we'll go and get Falcon and the Winter Soldier in between January to March 2021. Now, let's talk about the Black Widow movie. All of us are waiting for so long for this movie. Everyone is excited to see what's gonna happen in this movie, the future of Black Widow, and much more things. The release date keeps getting postponed due to this COVID-19 pandemic. According to some reports, the release of the Black Widow might get postponed again. It's not confirmed yet. If the Black Widow got delayed, then every project will get postponed, as I told you in my video of the Loki series explanation. But I think it's not happening. According to the official news that I have shared with you, I think the Black Widow will release in November. But there might be some changes. We might see Black Widow in video on demand. Again, I am saying it's not confirmed. This news is shared by Deadline. Wonder Woman is delayed and there is a chance that they might release this movie in November. That's why there's a rumor that Black Widow might get postponed or released on the OTT platform. As soon as I get the more confirmed information about it, I'll share it with you guys. So hit the subscribe button right now so you don't miss that. Now, let's talk about the upcoming Thor movie and some news related to Chris Hemsworth's MCU future. We have heard lots of news about Chris Hemsworth that Thor Love and Thunder is his last movie, but finally we got confirmed information from Chris himself. Recently in the interview, he said that after reading the script of Thor Love and Thunder, he is so excited about the movie. Chris said he is not going anywhere, it's not his last movie. So friends, all the rumors just busted out. We'll be going to see Chris as Thor for a very long time. He also said that he loves Thor Love and Thunder movie script far better than Thor Ragnarok. There is no doubt that Thor Ragnarok is the best movie from the Thor movie series. Thor Love and Thunder is going to be an epic movie. Production of this film is about to begin so soon. Natalie Portman is in Australia where they are gonna shoot the Thor and Love and Thunder. So that's it friends. That's all updates I have right now about Marvel Cinematic Universe. After a big break because of this COVID-19 pandemic, all the projects are back on track now. Filming and production have started again, so we might get some more good news, so stay tuned. If you like our video, hit the like and share button and share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you didn't subscribe to MDCZ yet, then subscribe right now. The Eternals Comics Explaining series is already running on my channel, so you can check it out, and I am also going to share the new updates with you soon. So if you don't want to miss any of this, you must subscribe to MDCZ and also press the bell icon so you will get a notification of our every new video. So subscribe now. I'll see you with my 8th episode of Jack Kirby's Eternals Comic Story Explanation series. Till then, stay home, stay happy and stay safe.